welcome back to another video. And today we got an awesome watch face to check out by DW. Now DW always gets down on some watch faces, but this one here is truly off the charts. DW, keep doing your thing, my friend. Now the name of this watch face is called DW27. Very nice looking watch face. Even in always on mode, the layout looks nice and it gives you all the important information you need to see at a glance. When the watch face is on, listen, I'm loving the animation that's going around the bezel of the watch. And the unique thing about that is that it doesn't stand in one place. It actually goes around the whole bezel of the watch. Just watch it travel. I thought that was very unique for any watch face. DW, you get 2 thumbs up for this one. Now, you're also going to get your heart rate. You're going to get digital time. You're going to get your day and your date. You go over to the right, you're going to get info on floors climbed, your steps, miles walked or ran, and a watch face is not complete without having battery info. So you get your battery info to the right as well, which looks really nice, and you get the day of the week. Now, what I'm loving that DW did, now which a whole lot of other developers take heed to this, give us the opportunity to add some shortcuts of our own. So I thought this was a great job by DW on this one. And I added one on the first one. So we're going to tap right here on the second one. And if you want to add an alarm as a shortcut, or contacts, or Galaxy apps, or messages, whatever you want to add, you can do that. Just simply tap. And now you can single tap on it and it'll go right to that application. I thought that was very nice. And you get 3 of them that you can add onto this one. Now, let's say you added one and you want to change it, just double tap and it'll do it again for you. And I thought that was really cool. Here, I got my email. I'm telling you, DW did his thing with this watch face. And also, if you tap right on the day, you can customize the color. Double tap. Got a lot of nice colors to change to. I thought DW definitely got down on this one. And you get 6 in all. Just cycle through all of them to see which one is going to suit you for the day, and you're good. And of course, it is inactive. So if you tap on it, you can go into your battery percentage, your date, get your calendar, things of that nature. So DW, great job. Great job, DW. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this watch face review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again at the next video. Take care.